Zrust X-Core Active Pack offers a special technology of vapor corrosion inhibitor, VCI, combined with volatile flash corrosion inhibitor, FCI, to protect ferrous, non-ferrous, and aluminum metals in enclosed spaces. This combination goes to work in minutes to protect against both flash rust and also against long-term corrosion with its progressive VCI chemistry. Special active VCI molecules called FCI, or flash corrosion inhibitors, provide fast-acting protection and neutralize acid gases and contaminants. Volatile corrosion inhibitor, or VCI molecules, create an invisible shield on metal surfaces in an enclosure and inhibit the electrochemical process that causes corrosion. Wear gloves while handling and packing the metal parts to avoid leaving acidic and corrosion-causing fingerprints. Pack only clean and dry parts. During packing, the temperature of the parts must be close to the current room temperature to prevent condensation. Remove Active Pack from plastic packaging, but do not puncture product sachet. Place packet nearest to the center of the space as possible. If using multiple packets, distribute them evenly. Do not place in direct contact with yellow metals. Tightly close outer packaging. Seal packs by heat sealing or applying waterproof tape. Active packs can also be used as drop-in protection for metals in any airtight enclosure, such as electronics cabinets.